If you're planning to build an AI-powered travel app, then this video will save you months of wrong decisions and a lot of development cost. Most founders think building a travel app means creating something like Airbnb or Booking.com from day one. They try to build everything, filters, hundreds of destinations, full automation, and end up stuck. But real travel apps are not built like that. And now with AI, the game has changed. It's no longer just about booking. It's about helping users make decisions faster. Your apps can suggest the right destinations, generate personalized itineraries, guide users step by step, recommend experiences. So instead of overwhelming users, you simplify decisions. And that's exactly what increases conversions. Now think about how users plan trips today. They don't stay on one platform. They keep switching between different apps and websites for searching, comparing, and booking. Everything is scattered. And because of that, users end up opening multiple tabs just to plan one trip. That's exactly the gap your app can solve. Now let's break down how your app actually works. It starts with destination discovery, curated destinations, not hundreds of options. Then, basic onboarding, solo, family, or group, so the system understands the user. Next comes the trip builder. User selects destination, dates, stay, experiences, and instantly sees an estimated total with a clear action, enquire or request booking. To simplify decisions, you also offer pre-built packages. These help users choose faster and improve conversions. Then you add a simple support option like a WhatsApp chat or quick form because many users still want to talk before booking. Once they take action, you generate a basic itinerary, simple, structured, and easy to understand. And finally, payments, kept simple with deposits or manual confirmation. No overcomplication, just a smooth booking flow. But what users see is only one side of the system. Behind the scenes, your system needs to be strong. You need a proper CRM to capture leads, traveler type, destination, budget status. Then a booking flow to convert inquiries into bookings. And a content system to manage destinations, packages, and media. Because without this, scaling becomes difficult. Now here's where most people go wrong. They try to build everything before launching. But an MVP is just the simplest version that can still get real bookings. For a travel MVP, you only need destinations and packages, simple trip selection, enquiry or WhatsApp booking, basic itinerary, manual payment flow. That's enough to test real demand. Simple rule, can a user discover, enquire, and pay? If yes, your MVP is ready. Once that works, then you scale. First, improve experience, better itineraries, user login, clearer pricing, then expand offerings, structured stays and experiences. Next, improve operations, dashboards, booking automation, and communication systems. And finally, evolve into a full app with advanced trip builder, supplier integrations, better payments, and analytics, step by step. And this is where execution really matters. Building a travel app like this requires more than just development. You need product strategy and MVP planning, UI/UX focused on conversion, AI-powered features like itinerary and personalization, front-end and back-end development, CRM and booking system setup, payment integration, admin dashboards and automation, supplier and partner integration, analytics and performance tracking, scalable architecture for future growth. Whether you're planning a travel booking app or exploring the right approach to travel app development, having the right structure and execution is what defines success. At NetMaxims, we also offer complete travel app services to help global clients design, build, and scale apps, from MVP to full production systems that actually generate revenue. So if you're planning to build an AI-powered travel booking app and want to do it the right way, book a demo with us and let's map your idea properly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real product breakdowns. And if you have an idea, comment travel app. I'll help you break it down.